How to add background photo when sharing a feed post to your Instagram stories. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily add a background photo if you are sharing a feed post to your Instagram story. So let's say I want to post this picture and with the background of this picture itself. So what I want to do is first just take a screenshot of this photo and let me just adjust my photo and make sure you save it to your gallery. So once you make it of your necessary size, just like this, just save it. And once you save it, I want you to come back to your Instagram and simply and what I want you to do is simply click on the share button and just hit the add to story button. And from over here, once you select your post, just click on this sticker icon and you can see there's the option called photo. Simply click on it. So when you click on this photo option, you can just click on this photo which we just used earlier and make sure you readjust your post for the latter use. Just make sure you don't delete it accidentally. So and just cover your wallpaper which you just downloaded just like this, and you can just readjust this wherever you want. As you can see, for my device it's not working, it's not coming back to my front page. So when you click on your post should go front side and your background photo should go back side. So that is it for today guys. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.